is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. Thanks for dropping by. If you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Welcome back. Welcome back. I guess I should be saying that to myself. It's been a while, but I'm here. And today, I'm going to introduce you to something new to our channel. This is not something new, period. It's just something new to our channel. And what we're going to do on today is open up the Tribe Beauty service. Okay. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Tribe Beauty service, and I understand because it is new here, I didn't know, but I know now. And the reason I am bringing this package to us, I want to keep you in the know. Plus, we talked about supporting Black-owned businesses, and guess what? This is a woman-owned Black business, okay? And she's looking out for us. So I do have my tablet here, so I'm just going to read some things about the Tribe Beauty Box so that you'll know what we're getting into. Now, the Tribe Beauty Box is an every other month subscription service, and it says discover the untapped world of indie beauty brands through your Tribe Beauty Box, which features indie and female-owned beauty brands. Okay, every 2 months you'll receive breathtaking and unique products created by incredible women CEOs. Our goal is to help you discover the next big thing in the beauty industry. Get excited to receive the highest quality of indie beauty in this box. Every box you'll receive 5+ items worth over $125. There will be one face product, one skin prep product, an eye product, a lip product, and a tool. And it is $34.99 for each box. Remember, it is every other month, so that means you will get 6 boxes throughout the year. Okay, now because I look out for you, I do have a link. It will be in the description box below, and if you click on that link, you'll get a special discount just for you Season Beauties subscribers. Okay, so now that you know about the service, let's find out what's in the box. Well, in this case, this month, it's in a bag because it's so much stuff. Okay, the other side, can't show it because it has my address on it, but it says Discover Community Empowerment. How about that? Okay, now let's jump into the box and see what's in here. I'm excited. I'm very excited about this. Well, the first thing that I have is a smooth and moisturized skin mask. Okay, and this is by the company Masquerade Beauty, and it has 12 mini masks. Do you see that right there? That says 12 mini masks. And it's the sweet retreat. And it says stress spelled backwards is desserts. How about that? I never thought about that. Okay, so what better way to relax and renew than with our mini mask skin retreats. And the benefits are they hydrate skin, they help to even skin tone and fight signs of aging skin, and it helps prevent skin's moisture loss. Now, I love the fact that there are 12 of them in each of these. And it says the directions for use: cleanse the skin and dry thoroughly. Apply individual mini masks to desired areas of the face and body and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mini masks and massage any excess serum into the skin. I like it. That is item number 1. Okay, and our next item is by Pure Cosmetics, and this is the Chrome Glaze High Shine Lip Gloss. Okay, and here is our packaging. Okay, and the shade that I received is Rebel. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm putting it right over top of what I have. Oh, that is beautiful. I like that. Definitely like that shade. Okay, yes, I just so jumped the gun, but the color was gorgeous. And here is the packaging. Okay, and this says, this lightweight, highly pigmented lip utilizes gel technology to coat lips in vivid color and intense shine. This is beautiful. I like how this shade looks. I don't believe I own a pure lip glaze product like this. So hence the reason why I was very anxious to jump right in with that one. So that is item number 2. And moving right along, the next one, now I apologize for the sound in the background. It is 99 degrees here today, and it is not even 12 o'clock yet. I'm just saying. So I apologize for the sound of the air conditioning and all of that kind of stuff, but I can't afford to turn it off. Otherwise, this will be a mess. The next item we have is another mascara, and this one is by Rhodial Mascara XXL, and this is in the shade Black. Okay. And our description card says, with a long wear formula, this ensures eyelashes are maximized from day to night, and it contains beeswax for lash conditioning, carnauba wax for even adherence to prevent clumping, and soluble collagen to provide full body to lashes with added shine. Okay, now y'all already know I do not open mascaras until I'm ready to use them, but we'll just take a look at what the inside packaging looks like, and it is just like this. Okay, now if I can locate this mascara online, I will put a picture up of what the brush looks like. Okay, now the next item that we have is by Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Moroccan Rose Super Facial Oil, and this is a limited edition product. Okay, and oh, this packaging is beautiful. Look at that. Now this one to me is very oily. However, it absorbs into the skin very quickly and it doesn't feel oily on the skin, but it makes your skin look really nice. And it says here, it targets dull, dehydrated, and rough skin, and it removes dead skin cells with peony flower extracts, and it will eliminate an even skin tone and results in a smooth, hydrated, and glowing complexion. I can attest to that already. Look at that. You know, this is the hand that I put it on. This is the hand that I did it. So we can definitely see a little bit of a difference. I mean, I did put moisturizer on this morning, and it has a very nice light fragrance, which I love. Okay, so moving right along yet again, the next item, this I received as a welcome gift, and that is another set of brushes. Y'all know how I feel about brushes. You can never have too many. Okay, this is the brush service that we have featured on today, and it says a touch of divinity. This is what the brush set looks like out of the packaging. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is a 5-piece brush set. Very soft, nice and dense. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, and then moving right along. Okay, I'm excited about this last product, y'all. Okay, and the last item that we have is by Lorac Cosmetics, and this is called the Bakery Box. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, let's read about this product right here. Okay, now, our description card says the chocolate box palette, but the one I received is the bakery box. Now, I'll explain to you why in just a moment. It says this captivating hybrid palette boasts 2 huge, lavish, high-beam highlights, an endless collection of creamy chocolate hues, and this palette is a new iconic palette on the block, showcasing 18 ultra-pigmented mattes, 6 prismatic metallics, and 2 extra dimensional strobe powder highlights. This palette is like nothing else seen before. Wow. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch 3 of the shades. Here we go, right here. I love granola. The other is maple syrup, and then Rocky Road. Look at that. Look at that. This right here is beautiful. I've never seen a palette. How about that? Okay, so that's the last item in our Tribe Beauty boxes. I must say bravo, bravo for the first unboxing of Tribe Beauty Box on our channel. But these are the items that are included, and the manufacturer suggested retail price of everything that was included in the box will appear here below. Okay, now I'm gonna let you know I'm gonna let you know exactly which item is my favorite. I don't know when, but I'm gonna come back and let you know. But there were so many great things to choose from, and it's not always necessarily fair because I don't always open mascaras in a timely manner because I have so many. I think it's time for a mascara giveaway. Now, we do have a giveaway on our channel every month. I know you haven't heard about July's. I know that you haven't, but there's going to be 2 to choose from. That's all I'm saying so far. All right, now, as always, thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I appreciate it. And I hope I've shared something with you that you didn't know before. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.